Hey everyone, welcome back to The Dev Shift, the podcast where we talk real about how tech, coding, and careers are evolving in this fast-moving AI-powered world. We're your code school, and in today's episode, we're diving into something super practical, the top 5 AI tools that every developer, student, or job seeker should be using in 2025. Whether you're debugging code, building side projects, or just learning to code, these tools can help you move faster, think smarter, and build better. Let's jump in. No surprise here, ChatGPT with GPT-4o is a total game changer. We use it constantly for writing code, debugging tricky errors, generating test cases or edge cases, explaining complicated concepts like recursion or closures. GPT-4o even supports code interpretation, file uploads, image analysis. It's like your full-stack assistant now. Pro tip: be specific with prompts. Instead of saying, write a Python function, say, write a Python function to fetch GitHub issues using the API with error handling and pagination. The clearer you are, the smarter ChatGPT becomes. If ChatGPT is your teammate, Copilot is your typing assistant. It works right inside VS Code or JetBrains, suggesting entire code snippets as you type. Think of it as autocomplete, but 10x smarter. It's great for repeating patterns, looping logic, quick utility functions, but remember, it's not always accurate, so always review what it writes. We often pair it with ChatGPT for deeper architectural help or refactoring. Don't want to pay for Copilot? Or need something privacy-focused? Kodium and Tabnine are solid alternatives. They also support multiple languages and IDEs, and they're free for individual use. We recommend trying Kodium if you're a student or just experimenting with AI pair programming. Plus, some of these tools work offline or in air-gapped environments. Now, this one is exciting. Cursor is an AI-first code editor based on VS Code, but smarter. You can highlight your code, ask it questions like, what's wrong here, or how do I improve this? It responds like a helpful mentor right inside your editor. If you're tired of switching between your code and a browser tab with ChatGPT, Cursor is for you. We've found it boosts productivity and helps us stay focused. If you love coding online, especially for interviews or quick tests, Replit AI is awesome. It can autocomplete code, explain errors, even suggest edits in real time. It's beginner-friendly and works right out of the box. Bonus, you can also use Kodium's browser extension if you prefer your own IDE or tools. Bonus AI tools. Here are a few extra tools we love. Notion AI, great for planning sprints, taking notes, writing blog posts, or even job descriptions. Whimsical AI, for quick wireframes, mind maps, and architecture diagrams. Claude.ai, amazing at reading long code files, documentation, and logs, better input limits than ChatGPT. These may not write code, but they'll boost your thinking and clarity. Final thoughts. Look, tools are evolving fast, but at the end of the day, your value as a developer isn't just writing code. It's thinking through problems, designing solutions, and understanding what to build and why. These tools are here to support that process, not replace you. So don't be afraid of them, learn them, use them, grow with them. Thanks for tuning in to The Dev Shift. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which AI tool are you using the most right now, or which one are you excited to try? And hey, if you've got a developer friend who's still scared of AI, send this their way. Next week, we're breaking down how to build a dev portfolio using AI from zero to job ready. It's going to be powerful. Don't miss it. Until next time, keep shifting and keep coding. We're your code school. See you soon.